Oh man, so freaking sick. It sounds freaking amazing. Here we go. 3/4 throttle through the gears. Oh my god! This thing's a freaking monster! Hey guys, welcome back to another epic episode of Quad Nation. So as you can see today, we have a new bike on the channel. It was the bike that I mentioned about a year ago that I had bought, a race bike for the channel. Yes, it's taken me nearly a year to rebuild it. I bought it with a seized crank. It needed a complete rebuild, all new bearings, crank, piston, you name it, I did it. Also all new chain and sprockets. Cosmetically, the bike has not been changed. I absolutely love the look of this 07 because of these duals out the back. That, in my opinion, is just sick. It really looks like a street bike on dirt. It's really awesome. Now, even though I'm going to title this First Impression Ride, I have to say, just like I did with the Apollo, I did take it for a short, quick ride. Okay, there is 20 minutes exactly on this top end. Reason I did that is because I didn't want the vlogging gear on. I wanted to be able to listen and really hone into the different noises that this engine was making, because I wanted to make sure the build was done right. It initially was doing a clicking. If you just slowly kick the Kickstarter over, I would hear a clicking every time it would do a full revolution. And at first I thought my timing was off, but I knew it was dead on. But what it was actually my decompression mechanism clicking. And as soon as you fire it up, centrifugal force causes it to back off of the cam, and you no longer hear it. So it's a normal clicking sound. You may hear it as I slowly kick it over. But either way, I'm kind of getting sidetracked here. This is the race bike I mentioned many months ago that I was bringing to the channel. Initially I was going to rebuild it myself and keep it, but I had so many projects going on at once, had a lot of money going out different areas. A buddy approached me and said, hey, I'll pay to rebuild it. I'll pay for the parts, you rebuild it, and then sell me the bike. And so that's what we're going to do. So it's not going to be on the channel long, but you may see it from time to time. But either way, I'm very happy with the rebuild. 20 minutes on the top end, and I have to say this thing absolutely rips. It is a beast. I did not expect this much power from a high performance 4-stroke 250. This is my first time ever on a high performance 4-stroke dirt bike. I've only been on 2-strokes prior to this. And like I said, I did go on a quick ride, but that was just to make sure it wasn't going to blow up on me, and I wanted to really listen closely to the engine, and it seemed to do well. So what we're going to do today is, my brother came all the way down from Tennessee for this. It's pretty cool. He's really reliable, guys, for a riding partner. I mean, he traveled 500 miles for this. But anyways, okay, his fiance called him down. I'll tell you all that. So anyhow, we are going to have a huge race tomorrow, okay? I wanted a couple hours on the top end before I redline it. That's just not going to happen because this time here is short. So today we're going to try to put about an hour and 20 minutes or so on the top end. And tomorrow the big race is we are going to put this stock CRF250R against the Yamaha Raptor 700. And you guys know that I've been real close to pulling the trigger on a full system exhaust on the Raptor. Okay, I actually have not did that yet. So this is a bone stock Raptor versus a bone stock CR250, a CRF250R. And what I think is really special about this is there are really no videos on YouTube where you have a bone stock Raptor and a bone stock CRF250R competing against each other. And these are both completely different machines. I completely get that. But if you're new to the motorsports and you're like, well, I kind of like both, but which one's faster? We're going to put that to the test tomorrow. So if I had to guess, and I'll get my brother's opinion here in just a second, if I had to guess, by feel, and I didn't even go full send on this yet, by feel, I think the CRF250R is going to be a little bit faster out the hole, and I think the top end is faster on the Raptor. So that's kind of my thoughts. What are you thinking, Colby?
I'm thinking the same thing.
All right, so yeah, so I do have less traction here. It's a skinny tire, but I really think it is a little bit more nimble and quick out of the hole shot. So let's go ahead and do this, guys. One other thing I will tell you as I'm firing this bad boy up is, if you don't have your timing just right or your carburetor tuned just right, it's going to be a son of a gun to start up. Well, I have to say, I completely went through the carburetor and redid everything, and taking out all jets, taking out everything that was set as far as the air to fuel screw, the idle and everything. I had pulled it all out. Well, I had adjusted them to where I thought they should be. My air to fuel ratio screw is backed out 2 full turns. If you guys are wondering, in case you're rebuilding one, it's backed out when you turn it all the way in. It's backed out 2 full turns, and my idle is I just kind of set it, just turned it until I thought it was good. So I can't really help you out on the idle. But anyways, so did not touch anything with the carburetor after I put this bad boy together. I saw a video on YouTube talking about how to crank these up real easy, because some of them can be hard. This individual said pull the choke. Okay, I'm going to pull the choke. Oh, there's the choke. He said pull the choke, don't give it any gas. And again, I was actually taking advice from this guy, even though I'm a very experienced rider, but I've never been on a high performance 4-stroke, and I know sometimes it can be hard to start. So I was kind of curious myself. So he said do 5 basically compression kicks without giving it gas, and slow. Well, guys, you won't believe this. I went like this. I went 1, 2, and on the 4th slow kick, not even trying to crank it, it went pum 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 and started right up. I couldn't even believe it. See, look at that. 4th kick, I couldn't even believe it. I was like, holy crap. But that time it stayed running for me, and I was just blown away. I said, holy crap, I'm not very smart, but somehow I figured this out. So here we go. 5th kick. Oh, of course it's gonna act like that on camera. I promise you, 4th kick, guys. 4th compression kick. I wasn't even trying to start it. It fired right up. I could not believe it. But I've been talking way too much. I know y'all want me to shut up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the choke off. I'm gonna go ahead and shut up, and let's ride, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, this thing sounds like a street bike on dirt. Oh, I love that close ratio. Hey, that's my truck. Holy crap, someone stole it. Oh, it's my sister-in-law. You look good in that Ford. All right. I am sorry if I'm so annoying and I talk too much. I promise right now I'll shut up. I'm playing the quiet game. Oh, it's hard. Whoa, I just wheelied. It's hard to play the quiet game with this thing. Bro, this thing has so much power. Oh my gosh, I don't think y'all can see my burnouts when I turn my head, but that's freaking crazy. Oh my god, you know what, I thought I loved 2 strokes the best, but I think I like the 4 strokes. You know what this is?
Tell me.
Heaven!
Looks pretty fun.
So it's a little harder to start when it's warm, but maybe there's a trick to it, I don't know. Here we go. Let's go. Oh my god! love how the dirt bike just canters sideways. God, get it, cold man. So that's the hardest I've ever pushed it. Wow. Oh my gosh. And I wasn't even getting into the high RPMs, guys. This is, oh God. This bike is insane. I'm trying my best to play the quiet game with you guys. So I know you just want to hear that raw power. Oh my God, it's so hard to be quiet now. Look at those burnouts. Let me break this engine properly. I'll break it in properly. I gotta do a bunch of takeoffs without pegging it. Just getting fancy on the Raptor. Here we go. I'll do about 3/4 throttle. Oh, a little bit of throttle lag there. I might have to adjust something. Oh man, so freaking sick. It sounds freaking amazing. Here we go. 3/4 throttle through the gears. Oh my God! Oh, this thing's a freaking monster! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wow! This thing is a freaking monster. It'll literally grab the lime rock and lift it up. Here we go. 3/4 throttle. Oh my God, I gotta go look. I gotta go back and look at my burnouts. Oh man. Holy. Oh my God, guys. Look at that. Oh my God. Check this out, guys. It almost looks like he did a donut, but I bet you that's where I just blew a hole in the earth. No, I am joking there. Holy crap! Look at these! That is sick! Wow! Wow! Come on! Come on, Quad Nation! Get it fired up! Here we go. 3/4 throttle. Oh my God. Oh. Look at that CRF250R. Oh my gosh! Oh, the Raptor's gonna have a run for its money.